There could be several reasons why your muscles are not growing despite your efforts. In this video, we will show you the reasons for it. Here are some common factors that may be hindering muscle growth and some suggestions on how to address them. Inadequate nutrition. Muscle growth requires a proper balance of macronutrients, including protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Ensure that you are consuming enough calories and protein to support muscle growth. Lack of progressive overload. If you are not progressively increasing the weight, reps, or sets in your workouts, your muscles may not be sufficiently stimulated for growth. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts to challenge your muscles. Insufficient rest and recovery. Muscles need time to recover and grow. Inadequate rest and recovery can lead to overtraining and hinder muscle growth. Make sure you are getting enough sleep and allowing for rest days between intense workouts. Poor exercise form. Incorrect exercise form can limit muscle engagement and growth. Ensure that you are using proper form and technique in your exercises to target the intended muscle groups effectively. Lack of consistency. Inconsistent training can impede muscle growth. Establish a consistent workout routine that includes a balanced combination of resistance training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility training. Overemphasis on cardio. While cardiovascular exercise is essential for overall health, excessive cardio can hinder muscle growth. Strike a balance between cardio and strength training to achieve optimal results. Stress and cortisol levels. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels can inhibit muscle growth. Manage stress through relaxation techniques, adequate sleep, and a balanced lifestyle. Genetic factors. Genetics play a significant role in muscle growth potential. Understand that everyone's genetic makeup is different, and some individuals may naturally have a more challenging time building muscle mass. Lack of variety in training. Doing the same exercises repeatedly can lead to a plateau in muscle growth. Incorporate a variety of exercises, equipment, and training techniques to challenge your muscles in different ways. Medical issues. Certain medical conditions, hormonal imbalances, or medications can affect muscle growth. If you suspect an underlying medical issue, consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. By addressing these factors, you can potentially overcome the barriers preventing your muscles from growing and progress towards achieving your desired fitness goals. It's essential to maintain a balanced approach, including proper nutrition, rest, and an effective training regimen.